Federation of Civil Society Organizations, Focs, Manipur has urged both central and state government to clarify on its stand regarding the Manipur violence, and it continues to make contradictory claims on the causes of this conflict. In a press release, Focs expressed that the public are confused and frustrated on central leaders for making contradictory remarks since the conflict started. The organization further expressed disappointment over the Union Home Minister for stating that the conflict is an ethnic clash in an interview on India Today, while highlighting that the minister had earlier made two different remarks about the origin of the conflict. Focs maintained that these kind of contradictory remarks by leaders of both governments confuse and irritate the public. Focs also urged both the government to implement NRC in the state to deport illegal immigrants and to resolve the ongoing conflict.